So the release of memorial calendar is taking place here, and these are the members present.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll take it, leave it there. Come and take it. Why do you want it?
Pass it on.
Leave it there. No. You don't have to run around. Yes, your copy.
Yes, your copy.
Thank you. So this is eCine India with Shyam Benegal on the cover page. Okay. So all the FIPRESCI members are present. Today is Thursday, 26th November 2025. We are having our FIPRESCI meeting during 56th IFFI distribution of eCine India magazine.